Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to remove the third brake light off of the air brake or rear wing on a 2018 McLaren 720S. I went ahead and taped around the area so I don't mess up the paint, but essentially there are just three clips. There's one in the middle and then another one on each side. I went ahead and popped this thing loose so I can show you, but I used a thin little card and just wedged it up here and got that clip loose, and then here on each side as well. It's a little pesky, but it's not that difficult. I got it done in just about a couple of minutes, and then it just pops right out. You can see that little clip right there in the center, and then the retaining clip on each side. And then to remove the wing entirely, you just undo these three bolts on each side. And this wire runs to the left side, and there's just a little clip. Then you pull it loose and the whole thing comes off. And that'll do it. You'll need to do this if you are replacing the wing with like a carbon fiber wing or anything else aftermarket. And you just use this same brake light, feed the wire through the hole, and that's it.